Welcome to this practice. We're going to use properties of proportions to solve a problem. But first, let's talk about the first rule here. The first one is called reciprocal property. It means if two ratios equal A to B equals C to D, then their reciprocals also equal. Let's flip it. The first one is A to B. We're going to write down as B to A. And the second one says C to D. We're going to write D to C. Very good. All right, let's use a real problem. We're given if 6 to X is 5 to Y. Can you use reciprocal property? Rewrite this. We can flip it. We can write down X to 6 is Y to 5. That is the example of how to use reciprocal property. All right, let's look at next one. Next one, we're going to interchange the mean. The mean is the yellow letter, B and C, that's a mean. The blue one is extreme. We're going to interchange the mean part, which means we're going to keep the extreme A and D here, and we change it. It was B on the left-hand side, but I'm going to write the new one. I'm going to write C, and here I'm going to write B. All right? Okay, let's try this. We still use this one. We still use 6 to X is 5 to Y. We simply change the mean. Then we can say 6 and Y, you stay here. 5 was on the right side, right? We're going to put 5 on the left side and X here. That's it. That's how you change the mean, interchange the mean of the proportion. Okay, next one. This time we're going to do some addition. In the proportion, if you add the value of each ratio's denominator, let's get a little bit of color. We're going to add the denominator. Oh, the color did not show. That's okay. We add the denominator to its numerator. Then we're going to have a new true proportion. Okay, so the third one, 3, the denominator is B. We're going to add B to A. Let's write A in blue and plus B, keep B here. All right, the next one is C is yellow. We're going to add D and keep the D at its denominator place. That's it. We're going to use this question right here. What if this time we're going to add the denominator to its numerator? Let's see what we have. We're going to put our new proportion here. 6 gonna add X. Denominator is still X. 5 gonna add Y. Denominator is still Y. This is our new one, and this is also our new one. Remember these 3 rules. Reciprocal, interchange the mean, and do a little bit addition. Add the denominator to its numerator. All right, that's the properties of proportion you can use in this class and in the future. Happy learning.